Hi, I'm Matt, an intern here at Sioux Falls Audiology Associates, and today I'm here to talk about wax guards. If you are a hearing aid user, then you have two things in your ear right now probably. One, a hearing aid, and two, ear wax. Hearing aid's most notorious enemy. If you're noticing a decrease in the volume of your hearing aids, it likely is that you need to change the wax guard. So, I'm here today to show you two different kinds. For this Phonak product, the newer ones use this. It is called the Ceru Shield. And to change the wax guard, which I'll try and show you right now, see if I can find the camera. There. You see, in the middle of that blue thing is a little white thing, and that is the wax guard. To change it, you take this shield where it says 1 and switch it, and you turn this until it clicks. And you see that the 1 hole is empty and the 2 has a new wax guard in it. You take the tip of this blue part, the receiver, for the right ear it'll be red, and you plug it into where it says 1. And now the old wax guard is removed, and then plug it into where it says 2, and the new one is installed. Ta-da! For older Phonak and Unitron products, you'll be using something more like this, the Ceru Stop, which is a stick. This also applies for custom products, so hearing aids that, like in-the-ear hearing aids that fit directly in your ear. And they will look something like this Starkey Products replacement wax guard. So you'll see here, this one actually has a little bit of wax in it. And to change it, we're going to use Starkey's wax guards. They come in a blue box with a yellow stick. And to do that, you take it has two ends. So one is empty with a little poker, and the other has a new wax guard on it. Take the empty end and plug it into the receiver. It'll yoink the old one off, and then plug the new one right in, and that's it. Thanks for watching this installment of How to Take Care of Your Hearing Aids with Sioux Falls Audiology Associates.
We are here to help. If you want to chat with Dr. Mandy, go to SiouxFallsAudiologyAssociates.com.